Hello, my name is Rob Gauthier. I'm a professional channeler. September 20th, I'll be in Hokutoshi, Japan. For my second time, I'll be in Japan, and I've been working with the Japanese people with my channeling for over a year now, and I love Japan. It feels like a second home, even though I've only been there once. I look forward to going back. Yeah, I'm doing a workshop for channeling for the Japanese people. It's a beginner class for channeling, just an introduction, to get people into the idea of what channeling is and give them an opportunity to practice it for themselves.
And you're also, with me, we're going to be doing a CE5. So talk about what is a CE5 and what are we going to be doing out there?
Yeah, the C5 is something me and Reuben have done together before, and it's something that I enjoy. We get a group together, we connect our energies, and we call for our star family to come in, and we'll pull some UFOs down for all of us to be able to watch and to see it. It's really exciting. Last 2 times I've done them in Japan, we had great success with a lot of interconnection and a lot of UFOs too.
Excellent. Is it different than in America?
It is. The Japanese people have very easily learned how to connect with each other, a nice collective energy, so it's very easy to set the pace for the specific energy we need to call them in more easily. So yes, Japan's much better at it than Americans. Yeah.
Wow.
Well, for those of you who are coming to the workshop, September 20th, I look forward to seeing all of you and get to connect with you and know you, and I hope that you'll be able to find a lot of great information and a lot of tools that you can take to use from that point forward. Hokutoshi de ayamasho. Arigatou gozaimashita.
This is Rob! This is Rob!